Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this top knot. As you guys can see, I'm going in with a product from the Main Choice line. This is actually my first time using this, and I just decided to put it in my hair just so my hair wouldn't dry out while it's in this style, just to keep some moisture in there to prevent any breakage. So as y'all can see, I am struggling just a little bit with distributing this product in my hair. It has a bit of a thick consistency, so like I said, I did struggle a little bit, but after a while I think I got the hang of it. Alright, so next I went ahead and went in with my dimming brush just to help smooth down my curls a little bit before putting it in the actual top knot. So I smoothed the front first, and then after a while I go to the back, and then you're gonna see me later on go back in with the actual like smoother regular brush rather than the dimming brush, just to make sure I don't have any lumps in my hair before I officially put it up. Alright, so once my hair is finally up, I go in with, actually I think this is extra long canker long hair, so it's braiding hair. You guys can really use any type of braiding hair, and it came with like a little rubber band already in the middle for it to be sectioned off correctly for me to install it. So I just tied that around my real hair, and then I went ahead and kind of just twisted my real hair into the braiding hair, so that way my real hair isn't as noticeable. Also, make sure when you do purchase this hair that you get the hair color that matches the closest to your natural hair color, so that way the top knot looks natural as well. So now, as you can see, it's all twisted up and blended with my real hair. So I put just an extra hair tie around it just to make sure that it's secure. And then you'll also see me go in with a few bobby pins because there are little stray away hairs that stick out at the bottom. So I did go in with a few extra bobby pins just to make sure that I secured it. And there we have it, a really cute high top knot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.